And hi guys, nice to see you all today. Welcome to our APAC Eco-partner Summit 2022. This is Lucas Shi. I'm an overseas project manager from SUNMI. Today's summit will include 4 sections. The first section is about the digital transformation, how IoT will lead future growth. And the second section is how does SUNMI boost business with software vendors. And in the third section, we invite our ecosystem partner. They are from Alibaba Cloud, OxPay, Hongwu, and MKP Mobile to make some insightful sharing. And in the final section, we will introduce our APAC rebate policy. And in the first section, I will introduce SUNMI's brand position and how IoT will lead the digital transformation and future growth. So boosted by the advent, adaptation, and wide use of the new technologies, the world economy has grown with an astonishing speed in a couple of centuries, pushing the world from the agricultural age into the industrial age, and then to the information age. In the process of entering the information age, IoT, big data, among other core technologies, will drive the digitalization, and the world is now under the trend of digital transformation, built on the Internet of Things. The application of fields of IoT involves various aspects. The application in the fields of industry, environment, transportation, logistics, and other infrastructure has effectively promoted the intelligent development of these fields and made the limited resources more relationally used and distributed, thus improving the efficiency and the benefits in these industries. And the application in home, medical health, education, finance and service industry, or tourism, and other fields closely related to life has greatly improved the service scope, service mode, and service quality, and greatly improved the people's quality of life. In short, the IoT is ubiquitous with specific applications or things being developed to tackle specific needs across all sectors and will lead future growth. And based on the close connection between IoT and digitalization, the trend of digital transformation has given birth to a huge demand of IoT. The global IoT market is expected to reach a value of 1,386 billion USD by 2026, shows the strong vitality and huge market potential of IoT. And in business scenarios, IoT value position can be explained from 2 aspects. The first is enhancing customer experience. Through the IoT, we can optimize the whole chain of customer experience. Start with the customer identification based on data collection devices. We can build user portals, achieve accurate marketing based on the customer data, like pushing coupon, promotion, or reward, to reach customers more comprehensively and deeply, and approach the inner needs of customers, so that improve the conversion rate. And in the payment process, with the intelligent POS devices or kiosk devices, we can provide seamless payment solutions, make customers have better payment experience. And after the payment is completed, we can provide accurate and fast delivery service and perfect after-sales services. Finally, to make our customers to stay engaged and improve the repurchase rate. And the second is improving the store sales. In the level of commodities, IoT equipment is used to analyze the sales and inventory of various commodities, optimize the product mix, and improve the turnover rate of inventory. And on the environment level, we can conduct environmental awareness through the terminals such as smart cameras, and combine various interactive forms such as self-service cashier, collect and analyze data based on the IoT devices that are interconnected the whole scenario, optimize the store layout, and improve the area efficiency ratio. And in the business scenarios, there are a variety of data contexts. And with the devices covering all the aspects of scenarios, we can drive the business by data, which ultimately acts on the reconstruction of people, commodities, and environment. on the basis of comprehensive digitalization, realize the online and offline integration, and provide customers with one-stop and all-round services. And SUNMI is an IoT company with the core value altruism. We can committed to bringing business smart IoT devices and supporting integrated cloud services to build an interconnected world and finally achieve Business 4.0. By December 31, 2021, SUNMI App Store has become a top app store for business with 30,000 partners, over 16,000 apps, and SUNMI's IoT products and solutions have been used in more than 200 countries and regions. Monthly active devices has reached 2.2 billion, and empowering the merchants all around the world. And altruism is like a kind of enterprise spirit as well as a brand attitude. In SUNMI, every year we will cooperate with the well-known director, Fan Chai, to make an altruistic branding film. After the Priceless and the Change, SUNMI together with Fan Chai again to reflect on the value of time and the meaning of connection. So let's take a look on our new branding film. Some problems on our film. Let's reshare it.
Money! Now! I need your cash! Money! What?!
Okay, that's all for. Yep, and that's all for our new branding film. So together with our partners, SUNMI will help everyone in business society to save time, better love, and enjoy their life. And here's our milestones of SUNMI. Based on the digitalization, we have achieved quite many milestones. In 2013, SUNMI was founded. After 3 years of technical accumulation, B1 was launched in 2026 as a hot selling product. B1 is a handheld printing device based on the needs of a small catering business. It can be used not only for takeaway orders, but also for store management, like printing small tickets. All of our products are named by the capitals of categories, except the series V, because V means victory. And this is our first type of product and also shows our confidence. From 2016 to 2018, we focus on constantly expanding our product capabilities and enriching product categories. By the end of 2018, we had launched many smart commercial devices based on the Android system, such as mobile, financial, desktop, and the kiosk series, and also launched business IoT products such as cameras and routers. And from 2019 to 2021, under the trend of global digital economy, SUNMI strengthened our investment in global business and expansion of partners. By the end of 2021, what I have just introduced, the number of SUNMI's ecological partners exceeded to 30,000 and more than 16,000 commercial applications included in our App Store. And we have covered more than 200 countries and regions. The BIoT for Business 4.0 is a new slogan we wrote out in 2021. The business digitalization is not only the digital transformation of retail, but also the transformation of sectors, such as food and beverage, services, or even customers' hardware and software used to interact with merchants. Since 2017, we have been in the new retail era under the digital economy. We name it Business 4.0. 5G, Internet of Things, cloud computing, big data, AI, blockchain, and other technologies will become the key factors in promoting the era of digital economy. So it's also the IoT era. From SUNMI's inception, we have been focusing our efforts on bringing digital transformation to every business in every industry, leveraging the commercial IoT devices and building an interconnected world with our partners. In short, it's BIoT for Business 4.0. And we will continue to focus on the first floor and to expand the IoT products and more intelligent IoT. Take hardware as a service, we call HaaS, HaaS. We concentrate on the Android IoT products to build the world's first brand of intelligent business IoT devices. And at the same time, we will focus on creating rich and better public tools and services to enable the second floor, including SUNMI IoT Cloud Management Platform and SUNMI OS. We name it 1.5th floor. We call it PaaS, PaaS. And eventually we reach the second floor, where we together with the SaaS partners to build digital solutions for every industries. And we focus on the first and 1.5th floor and enable our partners to improve a better second floor. So this is our BIoT strategy. And SUNMI has both a global view and a local view. Take advantage of global talents, resources, on technology and capital to achieve our ambition. Embracing the globalization and the localization, SUNMI has established branches in 15 countries and covers 5 core regions, including Asia Pacific, Europe, North America, Latin America, the Middle East, and Africa. Thus, we can provide more accurate value for different regions. And the globalization plan is also linked to our core values. We are doing an altruistic course, and we have a will to improve the local society. Also, embracing the globalization and the localization, SUNMI continuously provides more and better products, as well as enhanced connection capability, and create greater value together with our partners. And together with the global service partners, SUNMI offers an industry-leading service experience. APAC's local service network has already basically been built. And after-sales services is mainly delivered and repaired. In Q1 2022, the signing of Japanese service providers will be completed. And the next step is to complete the construction of Korean service providers in Q2. And after-sales service models include handheld terminals, financial terminals, desktop terminals, and kiosks. And that's all for my part of sharing. In the next part, Ivan will introduce how the SUNMI boosts business with software partners. So let's welcome Ivan.
Well, thanks to Lucas for a great presentation on the first part. Hello, everyone. My name is Yvonne, and I'm part of the product marketing team to introduce the second part. I'll be talking about SUNMI products, software ecosystem, and success cases. First of all, SUNMI is a company dedicated to creating an IoT platform for digital IoT solutions for all small business scenarios, including but not limited to catering, retail, transportation, food delivery, logistics, and other scenarios. In order to support the digital intelligence in so many scenarios in SUNMI IoT ecosystem, we have smart terminals on the first floor, which are divided into 6 areas as a whole. In order to better serve the professional scenarios to business, we have also built the 1.5th floor. So SUNMI OS system specially built for the small business ecosystem. In cooperation with it, we provide value-added services such as SUNMI App Store, MDM, vSIM, etc. With the process of device cloud integration and the improvement of digital efficiency, we also provide digital store solutions and an open SUNMI partners platform to help ecological partners improve service quality and operational efficiency. Further up the second floor are our ecological partners. They usually purchase our products of the first floor, choose our services on the 1.5th floor, and then form overall solution, which is finally pushed to the merchant store. So far, we and our partners have rolled out our solutions to many countries around the world. Let's start with the hardware smart device on the first floor. The SUNMI product family includes 6 categories: financial P series, handheld V and M series, AIDC L series, desktop T and D and S series, kiosk K series, and accessory and IoT products. So far, SUNMI products are mainly used in catering, retail, food delivery, financial industry, logistics, transportation, service, healthcare, etc., covering more than 200 countries and regions around the world. And many well-known merchants around the world are also present, use our devices. Next, I will introduce the main products promoted by SUNMI for the APAC area. For the handheld part, we recommend the V2S Plus and V2S. They are equipped with 80mm and 58mm printers, respectively. They have high pixel cameras and can also recognize QR codes by scanner. The V series products are mainly suitable for product write-off, code scanning payment, label printing in retail scenarios, ticketing and payment collection in traffic scenarios, and scanning code payment and label printing in other scenarios such as medical, scenic, government affairs. In the AIDC parts, we have L series. We recommend L2H and L2KS. These 2 machines have passed the 1.5 meters and 1.8 meters drop tests and have ultra high performance protection, which can protect the machine from working normally after falling from a height. L series products are mainly suitable for express delivery, signing in logistic scenarios, inventory management, price verification, order management in retail scenarios, and some other scenarios such as medical drug management, hotel check-in, and so on. It is worth mentioning that these 4 products of handheld and AIDC all have GMS function. For the financial series, we recommend P2, P2 Mini, and the upcoming P2 SmartPad. They all support bank card payment and scan code payment. P2 has a printer, and P2 SmartPad can support electronic signature. The products of the P series are mainly suitable for retail and catering scenarios with multiple payment methods and printing receipts, or payment scenarios at some airports, taxi, gas stations. For the desktop part, we have T series with higher performance and D series. The T2S and D2S Plus we recommend have different configurations of single screen, dual screen with small and big, and the dual screen big and big. In addition, we also recommend D2S KDS and D2 Mini. The usage scenarios of desktop terminals include various retail and catering, such as fresh food, supermarkets, convenience stores, tea, as well as some other scenarios such as group meals, laundry rooms. For the kiosk series, we recommend K2 and K2 Mini, which are suitable for self-service order, payment, inquiry, verification in various scenarios such as retail, catering, medical, and government affairs, hotel services. Regarding the accessories, we recommend AT Cloud printers, Blink scan box, and handheld scanner. These can be used with SUNMI POS terminals to complete functions such as scanning and printing in multiple scenarios. In addition to hardware, SUNMI has also made great efforts in software and is committed to building and improving the software ecological IoT platform system so as to create more value for customers. This is also where we are very different from other competitors. Below, I will explain in detail the efforts and achievements made by SUNMI in terms of software ecology. SUNMI OS is an operating system that has been deeply optimized and improved based on Android. Partners can better provide services for commercial scenarios by SUNMI App Store, remote assistant, OTA, etc. Each SUNMI device is connected to SUNMI Cloud in real time, which is safe, convenient, and cost-free for device management. There are two main management portals. Partner platform is for our developers and service providers to manage the devices they purchase. MGT is our internal use for management and service of the whole ecosystem. Speaking of SUNMI OS built for the business, our SUNMI OS provides hundreds of functions and is the most comprehensive OS system on the market. Among them, the more commonly used functions on the market, such as kiosk mode, app lock, remote assistant, app store, post steward, OTA, and other functions are provided. At present, the use of MDM functions has covered more than 17 countries, more than 7,000 partners are using it, and more than 9 million operations have been carried out. As for SUNMI App Store, distribute apps to millions of devices with this top app store for business. Developers can publish apps and operators can manage their apps using blacklist and whitelist functions, update notifications, etc. As for December 31st, 2021, there were more than 16,000 apps in the SUNMI App Store, more than 30,000 developers with more than 82 million downloads. At the same time, the app in the SUNMI App Stores also involves 11 industries. In addition to the built-in SUNMI OS on the device end, the other end of the device will be connected to SUNMI Cloud. From the portal of the partners platform, the devices purchased from SUNMI can be deployed in batches, such as boot animation, wallpaper, silent app, mobile network, etc. If there is a problem, you can quickly troubleshoot the problem through this platform and even control it remotely. The partners platform is based on public cloud services and has access nodes distributed all over the world. If bank customers have high requirements for data security, SUNMI has also provided a privatization deployment, which is TMS. Customers will have their own dedicated server. Partner platform and TMS are systems used to manage Android devices, thus forming the integration of SUNMI device cloud management. In order to better help you to manage devices, our SUNMI cloud is completely open to everyone, and customers can do very strong control and management of the devices they sell through SUNMI cloud. In addition to the cloud management service platform, we also provide important charging value-added services, which is remote management. We also call it MDM. Now, our MDM also has relatively complete functions on the market. We also have functions that other manufacturers have, and we will charge a reasonable fee for functions that other manufacturers cannot achieve. Based on a comprehensive market analysis of several major customers types and insight into their pain points, the upgrade function of SUNMI MDM can be used to effectively solve the problems. For example, preset software in bulk and on-site training will lead to extremely high labor costs, while MDM can provide the function of send files and remote training, thereby greatly reducing labor costs. Also, if there is a high level of data security and the need to keep devices where they should be and work as permitted, then you can use geofencing settings, data security encryption services, and remote data removal of MDM. Of course, there are other functions such as remote control and app permission control are also very popular with customers. Our MDM is also divided into 3 versions: free, flex, and premium, including basic features and advanced features. The difference between different versions is mainly in the pricing and limit of advanced features, and the basic features are free to use. As of October 2021, our MDM has served more than 4 million SUNMI devices and has penetrated into 11 industries such as retail, catering, food delivery, and logistics. We are launching a new purchase package for this module, so if you are interested, please contact your sales representative for more information. We have also made a lot of investment in the financial industry, such as SUNMI's RKI service, to better help customers who have purchased SUNMI's financial series to complete the remote security key injection operation. In fact, the way of injecting keys is now mostly LKI, that is local key injection, means on site. But there are some problems, such as requiring a lot of manpower, requiring a large amount of infrastructure investment, and the key cannot be used remotely. A small number of existing RKI solutions are the self-developed RKI of client or third-party RKI, both of which also have corresponding problems, such as the large investment in infrastructure and research and development, and the high price of third-party injection, which also takes time to adapt. For this, SUNMI Archive has the advantages of out-of-the-box, one-stop service, and a relatively low price. Also, SUNMI pays great attention to privacy and data security. To guarantee your data security, we have adopted data protection technologies and control measures commonly used in the industry, such as network isolation, data encryption, and employee access control, etc. For example, in the classified information protection, we adapt level 2 information protection to secure import information resources and systems. After introducing SUNMI's product family and software ecosystem in detail, I will introduce a digital store solution using a full set of SUNMI devices and software, taking Fiona stores in China as an example. Fiona is a cosmetic company dedicated to cooperating with internal brands and currently has more than 150 stores in over 20 provinces across China. The needs of customers are mainly infrastructure upgrade, store design upgrade, information display management, and store equipment management. After conducting research and related understanding, the solution we gave is shown in the figure below. In terms of hardware, SUNMI V and LS series devices for cashier and inventory, SUNMI face sense camera, business router, and the electronic shelf label have been added. The data collected from hardware devices will be uploaded to SUNMI Terminal platform and the Innovation Area Business Center, which can exchange data with each other at the same time. Finally, it provides functions such as traceability, security inspection, checkout and loss prevention, mobile checkout, stock taking, etc. A complete set of IoT products in the store makes operational data clearly known. Through SUNMI's digital store solution, customers can manage all hardware devices in the store on one platform, and there is no incompatible problem without switching between multiple platforms. One system manages a full set of devices, reducing the cost of migration and collaboration. And next, SUNMI has been committed to providing merchants with better software, hardware, and solutions, building the next generation commercial IoT platform with an altruistic mentality, and finally, realizing business 4.0. Thank you for listening.
As I said, in the next section, we'll have some insightful sharing from our partners. So first, let's welcome Long from Alibaba Cloud. Hello, Long, are you there? Okay.
Hello.
Hello. So please start.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Hello, everyone. My name is Long Ying. I am a solution architect from Alibaba Cloud. Alibaba Cloud is the top 3 cloud provider globally and the top 1 cloud provider in Asia. But Alibaba Cloud is not just cloud. We work closely with ecosystem partners to drive the digital innovation and co-created solutions for different industries. SUNMI is Alibaba Cloud's important ecosystem partner. SUNMI is an IoT company with intelligent hardware for business, so it's more for the offline part. On the other hand, Alibaba is known for its e-commerce best practice for Lazada, Tmall, Taobao, accumulated many years best practice for the online business. So the co-created solution, Cloud POS, can provide a unified commerce platform for new retail. For most retailers, the store is still the greatest contributing channel for sales and revenue. The physical store and the POS will still play an even greater role in delivering a unified commerce experience for customers. So this is how a digital store looks like with SUNMI intelligent devices. Face sense camera at the entrance can track the customer traffic flow and the customer identification. Electronic price tag on the shelf is to show the dynamic pricing and promotion. There are routers for wireless network, desktop terminals and scanners for transaction settlement, and a security camera for monitoring and loss prevention. However, there are some challenges faced by the retailers. Number 1, retailer chain usually has multiple physical stores in different regions. The cost for on-site install, maintain, and upgrade POS hardware is very high. Number 2, no integrated system for offline and online retail ecosystem. For example, if the inventory in one physical store is out of stock, how to check the inventory in another physical store? What's more, if all physical stores are out of stock, how to check the online inventory business? And maybe borrow several units from the online to fulfill the demand in the offline. Number 3, POS system has very sensitive data, like the transaction data, revenue data, customer personal information. So there is a potential data security risk in the physical store. To deal with these challenges, Alibaba Cloud and SUNMI co-created a unified commerce platform on cloud to drive the omni-channel business. According to the Gartner report, the retailer's ability to provide a seamless customer experience is directly tied to a unified commerce platform, and eventually it will determine its long-term success. So the idea is different touch points will share a centralized backend platform. The customer can buy products from physical stores, mobile application, website, social media, kiosk, call center, marketplace, and other channels. But all this information will be processed and stored in a unified system. Based on many years' experience of retail operation, Alibaba gradually summarized the cloud POS best practice. The front end can be different systems for omni-channel access, like a POS terminal, mobile app, e-commerce platform, social media, and other third-party platform. But all these systems connect to a centralized cloud POS. There is shared centers for user, member, commodity, transaction, marketing, inventory, payment, and settlement. There are two key advantages of this cloud POS architecture. Number one, omni-channel experience for the customer. Different physical stores, online, offline, share the same commerce platform. Number two, if the retailer wants to add a new channel or a new touch point, the unified commerce platform can be easily extended to integrate with the new channel because the unified POS platform shares the same standards, same specification, and the same technology stack. This is the overall co-created solution by Alibaba Cloud and SUNMI. At the left-hand side, there are many SUNMI POS hardware. They are connected by a local network. At the right-hand side, it is the cloud POS system hosted on Alibaba Cloud. So all these hardwares in a physical store are connected to the cloud POS on Alibaba Cloud. There are three reasons to host the unified commerce on cloud. Number one, elasticity. The cloud POS system can easily scale down or scale up to deal with fluctuated traffic, especially during the shopping festival, for example, the W11. Number two, security. According to the latest Gartner report, Alibaba Cloud has the highest score in security capability. Alibaba Cloud can provide the end-to-end security solution to protect the POS system, data, transaction, and application. Number three, network. Alibaba Cloud provides the best network coverage in Asia, so it is crucial for system reliability. The co-created cloud POS solution has been successfully implemented globally. This is a use case for Freshippo, which is a high-tech grocery chain. It supports O2O experience with more than 300 physical stores. So SUNMI provides flexible payment experience for customer, like V2 Pro, T2 Plus, Link, and the K2 Mini. At the same time, Alibaba Cloud POS solution provides the O2O experience for the Freshippo customer. Customer can buy groceries online, and products will be delivered from the physical store to customer within 30 minutes. As a result, Freshippo is reducing manual intervention in service experience. And the co-created solution by SUNMI and Alibaba Cloud play incredible roles in Freshippo digital innovation journey. Thanks for your time.
Okay, thanks, long sharing. So let's welcome Tu from Fengwu. Are you ready, Fengwu? Tu?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So yeah, so start your sharing, please.
Okay. Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah, so today I present about the Fengwu and SUNMI Corporation. Let me share the screen. Okay, so I would like to share some about information from Fengwu, the distributor of SUNMI in Vietnam. The first, I want to talk about the Fengwu Trading Service Corporation history. We found in 1997 at a computer shop in the Ho Chi Minh City of Vietnam. Fengwu has grown into one of the most reputable retail and distributor in Vietnam, uniquely focused on information technology product, gaming device, office equipment, high-tech product. Nearly, we focus more on the post product, especially the SUNMI. During our 25 years of development at Fengwu, we have always been aiming at going beyond a computer business, but trying to enrich the people's life through providing our customer with a wide variety of modern technology gadgets and our signature high quality service. Yeah, about my journey. Yeah, the first time we started at a small store selling computer hardware, PC assembly in Ho Chi Minh City in 1997. In the 2000, we have the first 1G center. For the long time, from the 2000 to 2017, we have a long history to development. After 2017, Fengwu and combined in the Teco Group. When Teco Group investment to the Fengwu, we opened more than 30 showrooms in Vietnam. And from then to now, we are ready for the new future with the new looking, as we see in there. Our business, ICT high-end device, ICT system integrate solution, electronic device, smart home, digital screen, and payment management. For the payment management, we choose the SUNMI right now in my showroom. I can share with the picture after that. Now I want to share some number. Now we have exactly the 34 showroom in the worldwide as nationwide in Vietnam. Over 8,000 products, 50,000 business customers in Vietnam, more than 1 million customers visiting and making purchase a showroom each year, and especially 25 million people, 25 million traffic count on the website each year. To do that, to do the number above, we have some service. With our long experience in the retail and distribution market of high-tech equipment, we are committed to providing the best service that customer will receive it. The first, whole day the directory hotline, showroom system spread across the country, hook warehouse can stop a cargo, careful professional service center, especially door-to-door service to the business customer. Strong technology foundation available to meet all the most rigorous requirement of customer. Here is some the picture of the showroom in Vietnam right now. As you can see, there's something like that. The warehouse and the warranty center of Fengwu in Vietnam. I only want to talk with the customer. Fengwu carry either become a better you with us. Okay, now I want to talk the detail about the Fengwu and SUNMI Corporation. We started cooperation in the late 2017 when I searching the payment equipment solution for VNPay. After 5 years of the companionship, since then, Phong Vũ has developed many other SUNMI equipment segments through the territory of Vietnam. Market development of SUNMI and Phong Vũ. We start when the first time with VNPay project. After that, SUNMI give them many supporting for Phong Vũ. Phong Vũ payment solution major client related to many fields, such as the transportation like bank, F&B, spa, healthcare, ticketing. Also look to Phong Vũ and SUNMI currently. Phong Vũ has distributed over 50,000 devices in the Vietnam market. Flow to work, Phong Vũ will explore the market and will be an equipment consultant for the customer. After finding wishing to develop the post product, we will work with SUNMI technical team to come up with the most suitable solution for our customer. We aim to Phong Vũ become the leading post distributor in Vietnam, and SUNMI become the most popular brand in here. I hope that. In the next 2 years, my future plan is we can reach the 100,000 SUNMI port device in Vietnam. To do that, I need some support from SUNMI to do cost many big projects like the GoZek, BeFood, Novaland, Nova Service, or something like that. Here is our customer. You can see there's some of the big brand in Vietnam right now, like the VNPay, Vietnam Airlines, Vietjet, Mylink Group, GrabFood, Baemin, Bosat, the Coffee House, VNG, even Eon more. Yeah. I want to talk in detail about the cooperation of Phong Vũ and VNPay. I think if you work and live in Vietnam, every people can know about VNPay. They are one of the biggest company work in the fintech industry. They have a massive technology platform with the core business of finance, banking, information technology, telecommunication. VNPay right now already provide payment service and solution to the over 40 banks in Vietnam and 150,000 of domestic and international business. Now they use around over 20,000 P series and a lot of kiosk device in Vietnam. You can see some picture of the customer use the VNPay service in Vietnam. They can use the card, the QR code, the kiosk, and something like that. So next, I want to show about the GrabFood and Phong Vũ Corporation. Grab has a big market in Vietnam right now. They have 100,000 customers. In which they will send the post device. As you can see in here is the V1S device, P1 4G device of Grab, of SUNMI in Grab. They will send the post device to customer. The customer needs the good transaction volume. Customer will use the post device to print the order from the GrabFood application and send it to the driver for delivery. Okay, here is some key product of Phong Vũ. We already sell in the Vietnam market the T2 series, P2 series, T2 mini, and many devices of SUNMI, especially the SUNMI Cloud, SUNMI OS. I use very useful. Here is some of the picture of the device in the Vietnam. Yeah, the first picture is from the Vietjet Air. The third picture is in the Mylink Taxi Group. Under is from the Vietnam Airlines. The center picture in Aono and some other customer. Okay, thank for listening. I end my sharing right here. If you have any question or want to do some cooperation in Vietnam, please contact with me in the slide. Thank you.
Okay, thanks too.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we have Henry back. So Henry, are you ready for a presentation?
Okay, hi everyone. This is Henry from Oxbay Financial. I'm actually the managing director of Oxbay Financial. We are a small listed company in Singapore, offering mainly online to offline payment service provider. Basically, we do collections on behalf of our merchants, where we acquire retails, F&B, B2B, and as well as some charities organizations. We are basically currently we have 4 premises in Southeast Asia. We are in Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia. Right. Basically, just on Singapore context, these are the type of payment methodology that we actually acquire for our merchants. Basically, we accept digital payments in the likes of Singapore. We call it Pay Now, the equivalent of Thai QR in Thailand. Malaysia, we call it Do It Now. And obviously, I saw a lot of Grab mentioned here. So we process for Grab collections as well on behalf of our merchants, as well as Singtel, which is one of the largest telecommunication company in Singapore, as well as process for Shopee Pay, Alipay, and WeChat Pay. Over the second column, we process cards payment in the likes of Visa, Master, Amex, Discover, basically the EMV core in the credit card world. As well as lastly, which is more exciting in the current state, we help to process on behalf of the merchants on crypto payments. We accept crypto payment in the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, so on and so forth. Yep. Okay, a little bit of background how we worked with SUNMI for way back in 2016. So we have more than 1,000 terminals in P1, and now we are basically forming more P2 while we speak, and reaching out to not just in Singapore but to all our merchants across the Asia Pacific region. And as I mentioned earlier, our focus mainly, other than e-commerce, will be the retail sector, F&B, limousine industry. Yep. Okay, basically what we do, other than payment acceptances on the terminal, we manage our own cloud-based terminal management system software. We call it FastPay. FastPay is the app on the cloud solution that anyone can download either in the compatible Android phone or as well as in all the P2 or P1, P series SUNMI terminals. So basically what we do is allow merchants to download, or we can do a remote download to enable the use case for each. Over and above, we leverage on SUNMI Terminal to actually do loyalty program apps to help our merchants to redeem or to have a capability to buy loyalty programs or loyalty cards on behalf of the consumer for the merchants, right? And these are the merchants that we serve from a Singapore perspective. You may know, Guardian pharmacies like Watsons across Singapore island-wide. We have merchants like Nike, and of course the L Fulton Group, which owns Zara, Marks Spencer, Lacoste, Mango, so on and so forth, right? All right. What we want to do more, of course, other than just buying hardware, there are a lot more things that we can do, not just in Singapore. We wanted to enable credit card acceptance on a P2 devices. Currently, we are exploring on how do we get full certification for tap to phone functions to be equipped in all the devices on a cloud-based solution. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, very much into our region, Singapore. Other than Singapore, with Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia as well. And of course, the last bullet point will be to expand into more B2B sector, where we help to collect some use case like, pay taxes, pay rentals, collect season parking for property management. So these are some of the use case.
Yeah, understand. Thanks, Henry. Again.
No worries.
Okay, so next, let's welcome Ilawan from MKP Mobile. Are you there, Ilawan?
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Is my voice clear?
Yep, quite clear.
Okay, I will start my presentation.
Okay.
Okay, once again, hello. My name is Irawan from Indonesia, from MKP Etiqueting. I'm the one of the founders of MKP, and today I just want to share with you about what is MKP doing in Indonesia, especially how we transform the ticketing industry, collaborate with SUNMI. So our vision is we want to become the most reliable ticketing company. Let me start. Mitra Kasih stands for, MKP stands for Mitra Kasih Perkasa. We are since 2019 and we are focused to provide electronic ticketing solution for 3 segments. The first one is for tourism, for the parking management, and then for traditional market. And then we already acquired about 81 ticketing points with 9.2 million traffic transaction or visitors or vehicle, and then about 7 million USD for total processing value. For information, our chance in Indonesia, this is our market. Indonesia have almost 3,000 tourism destination. And the 97% of tourism destinations still using the manual ticket system, gitu ya, no system. And then also we have more than 200 parking companies in Indonesia and still using cash transaction. And also we have 16,000, more than 16,000 traditional market in Indonesia and still using the manual collecting retribution and cash transaction. So this is our trend in Indonesia. The main problems is the income leak because of the manual paper tickets. So in Indonesia, that I was said before, almost 97% tourism site, they don't have no ticketing management system and real-time monitoring. They don't have a validation system, and they still using the cash transaction, not integrated with the cashless payment. So what MKP doing is we providing the ticketing system with 4 elements. First, we provide them with the hardware, which is we are using the SUNMI P2. And for the validation, we are using the crystal gate and wristband for the validation. And then the second one, we MKP provide the software. Also, the software is customized with the needed. They had a tourism ticketing management system, and then there is a parking management system and retribution management system that we embed into the SUNMI P2. And then the third one, we provide the terminal payment gateway. So the SUNMI P2 in Indonesia can accept the QR payment, can accept debit card, credit card, and prepaid card. So in Indonesia, we already connected host to host the SUNMI P2 with the main bank like Mandiri, like BNI, BRI, and Jakarta Development Bank. So we already connected host to host, so we can accept the card payment. Also, we provide the service level agreement, which is we provide the technical support in the site, in tourism, in parking, and in traditional market. These 4 elements that we provide to the customer, and from a schedule, we just take it the profit sharing per ticket. This is our use case in tourism. In Indonesia, we have the biggest theme park. The name namely is Taman Impian Jaya Ancol, with 10 million visitors per year. And we already live in 31 December 2019 with the SUNMI P1. And we included the POS system ticketing in the P1 SUNMI. Also, we integrated to the bank channel to accept QR, debit, credit card, and prepaid card. And what is the impact? The impact is extremely transformed, 100% full cashless payment. We cannot accept the cash again, and eligible to all restaurant and cafe inside the camp. In the parking management use case is we have in Mandalika for the World Superbike event. This is the parking on street application we embed to the SUNMI P2. And then we accept for the QR payment, debit, and prepaid card. So the impact is minimize the income leak and real-time monitoring. Also, we deploy in airports. So we have 13, we have agreement with 13 airports in Indonesia and already live for 2 airports in Semarang and Makassar. We are using the SUNMI P2 for backup the parking system when trouble. And we are using also for the valet system and the parking off-street system. And 100% is a cashless payment. For trade market use case, we already deploy in Bali. There are 2 traditional markets with 2,000 tenants, and we are using the SUNMI P1. We embed the electronic retribution apps. So the collector, they using the P1 for scan the tenants, and then the billing is show and they pay the billing on site. So we transform to 100% full cashless payment. Okay, I think enough from MVP. Thank you.
Thank you, Lawan. Thank you. Okay, that's all the sharing parts from our partners. And then we get into the 4th sections and about our bonus. Let's welcome our Regional Director, Frank Yuan, to introduce our rebate policy.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. This is Frank, the head of SUNMI APAC region. Thanks to Alibaba Cloud, OXPay, and Fengwu and MKP. Thanks for your support. Thanks to Longying, Henry, Mr. Tu, and Iravan. Thanks for your wonderful sharing. I would also like to thank you, all of you, for joining us today. I'm glad that all you have followed SUNMI and believed in us in the past few years. And in the future, we will not let you down as well. In SUNMI, especially in APAC, we are committed to providing our best products and service to all of our customers. SUNMI will continue to strengthen technological innovation, continue to increase local support and service, continue to be a Glocal brand to improve the industry, to build a long-term win-win relationship with you. It's also our common goal. We need your support as well. Okay, and let's move on to today's exciting topic. We have a bonus here to reward all of our customers. We are offering discounts on our new products, SUNMI V2S and SUNMI D2S Plus, as shown in the screen. The customers who place orders recently will receive a VIP discounts. Please contact your distributor or contact Windows in SUNMI to get more information. Please don't forget to scan the QR code on the screen to register. They are very popular products in the market. I hope you are happy with this bonus. Getting moving. Okay, I will stop here for a moment while you scan the QR code. Okay. Okay, finally, I would like to say that this webinar is the beginning of a series of marketing events in APAC in SUNMI. And the purpose of this webinar is to get you to know about SUNMI and what SUNMI is doing right now. We will invite more and more partners to co-work with us to do such kind of events together in the future. Customs are our bread and butter. We look forward to hearing from you and establishing a long-term cooperation with you. We hope to get your valuable opinions, and we will improve it. If you have any question and suggestion, welcome to contact us through the website or your contact window in SUNMI. Okay. That's all about this webinar. Thank you again for your participation. I look forward to the face-to-face communication with you as soon as possible. I wish you all the best for the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Frank.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, see ya.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.